Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to locate the part number on almost any LG control board. Let's get started. When searching for control boards using the appliance model number on our website, partsdoctor.com, the search results typically produce the correct part number. However, in some rare cases, the control board listed may not be accurate due to the manufacturer having a mid-production change to the appliance. To ensure you're ordering the correct part number, start by locating the white QR code or barcode sticker on the control board. These are normally located on the front side of the control board where the electrical connectors plug in, but on some, it may be located under the epoxy or on the side or on the back of the housing. In some cases, the sticker may not be white. If you locate a part number printed directly on the board, do not use this number as it's not accurate. Once you locate the tag, LG circuit board part numbers normally are 11 digits in length. They normally consist of 3 letters followed by 8 numbers. The most common format will list the first 7 to 9 characters of the part number, followed by the last 2 to 4 numbers in larger print. In some cases, the entire part number is listed together. Any other numbers that you find on the tag are not relevant. Some examples would be, the part number on this board is EBR79686304. The part number on this board is EBR85018201. The part number on this board is EBR78643401. And finally, the part number on this board is CSP30021068. With the control board part number identified, you can visit our website, partsdoctor.com, and search with the part number to ensure that you get the correct board. If you search for the original part number from your board on our website, and the website redirects you to a new part number, it means that the original part has been discontinued and replaced by a new part by the manufacturer. The new part may look slightly different than the original, but it will fit and function the same. If the search results don't produce a part, it may mean that the manufacturer doesn't sell the control board separately, and it's only sold as part of a larger assembly or a kit. One example would be on this dishwasher, where the control board is only sold as part of the control panel assembly. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.